Welcome to Kaylani's chess lesson.
So the rook can go all the way to 1 to 7, but it cannot go diagonally. It can only go frontwards, and it can go side to side. With the bishop, you can go, if you were right in the middle, you could go all the way and get the pawn out, or you could go back. And with the knight, like let's say a pawn was right here, you could get it out. That's the only one that can jump. And with the queen, it can go wherever it wants. It can go frontwards, it can go diagonal, it can go anywhere it wants. With the king, you can go frontwards 1, or it can go side to side 1, or it could go diagonal 1.